Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these hoop earrings. So the first thing that we want to do is attach the bezel to the brass. So we want to open up this bezel. You can see on there they have a little slit on them where you can open up the jump ring at the top. So you just want to put your pliers right beside that and just gently twist that open. And then you can attach your brass bar. And then you're just gonna gently twist that back into place. Then we're gonna take a 4mm jump ring, and where it opens up, we're just gonna put a pair of pliers on either side. And we're just gonna gently twist that open. And while it's open, we're gonna string on our bar and our hoop. And then we're gonna put a pair of pliers on either side of the jump ring and twist it back together. It's a little bit tricky with that hoop being there. And then you're gonna open your ear wire by gently twisting that open. You're gonna attach the hoop there. And then gently twist that back into place. And there you have it, super simple earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.